May profits be upon you. How you doing? How you doing? All right. Look, uh, I put out an AUD USD, Aussie dollar US dollar video about 4 days ago. Check it out on my YouTube channel. And what I said was, I was looking for price to hit this zone here, right? I was like, okay, the price hits the zone, I'm looking for some downside action. Well, we got that downside action, but it was short term. I was hoping it was going to look like that, right? Nope, that's not what happened. Okay, so it did drop, but it came back up. Now, very similar situation with New Zealand dollar, US dollar. I'm looking for price to turn around up here. All right, I'm looking for this area right there to give me my setup, my favorite setup. Push up, pull back, a higher high, a low that breaks the previous low, and a return to impulse for a high probability trade to the downside. All right, I need price to change, to shift from a bullish market to a bearish market. All right, shift from bullish momentum to bearish momentum, and I am looking right here. Got it? All right. Now, if you saw the analysis in my other video, you understand that this market is bearish, right? And we have lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and whatnot. But you see how every so often it'll break that high and then come lower, all right? That could throw somebody off. This is AUD can move that way sometimes, man. All right. But what you want to see is, where is the last break of market structure? Is it to the downside or to the upside, right? This one's to the downside. We've already come past the breakout level. These are long time lows, man. This low was made in January, okay? When you start breaking that kind of stuff, you got to look for pullbacks after a break of structure. You got to look for a pullback into this leg of structure, and you're looking for price to come back up into premium prices versus discount prices. What is that? All right. Use your Fibonacci retracement tool and find your 50% mark. All right. 50% mark is here. Okay. And prices above here are premium, below are discount. You want shorts from the premium area, and that's above the 50%. Easy to explain, right? Thank you, ICT. All right, so I'm looking here. All right, and what I'm looking for is this shift in the market. All right, I'm looking for this market structure shift here. All right, from bullish to bearish. All right, and I'm going to be looking for that on the 15-minute. I'm looking for a change of character for this this bullish push here. I'm looking for the market to change character here and start to find its way down. And I'm targeting these areas, all right, these levels. You can see the levels I already got them to the right, highlighted in red, okay? And I think this is gonna make everything all right, all right? If you catch this train, I think you'll be all right on this train, okay? Look now, because it's happening now, all right? I'm gonna remind you to take your finger, tap that like button, do it now, all right, and subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment. Let me know if you think this is a better setup than New Zealand dollar USD. We're looking for this to happen between now and tomorrow, all right? It's there now. We're at the POI, so you got to be looking now, and maybe we can get something going. It's by London, by Asia, we'll get some traction going now. All right, so we'll see, but make sure you get your confirmation. This is your confirmation. You got to make sure you see price demonstrate that it wants to go lower. That's what this bearish leg of structure here is for. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.